In this video, we're going to see a ZimaOS review. So ZimaOS is a modern open-source home server operating system designed to manage containers, virtual machines, and storage from a unified user-friendly interface. It's built to simplify self-hosting and server management for both personal and small business use. Some of its features: it has Docker and Kubernetes support for scalable container management, virtual machine management with built-in hypervisor support, web-based UI for easy monitoring and configuration, App Store with pre-configured popular self-hosted apps, and multi-node support for creating small-scale clusters. It combines Docker, VMs, and storage in one interface, sleek and intuitive dashboard, good for both beginners and advanced users, and actively developed by a growing community. But still relatively new, some features are evolving. It has limited documentation compared to older platforms and not as lightweight as simpler as like KSOS. So Zima is a powerful and flexible platform for self-hosters who want unified solution for containers, VMs, and storage. It's more advanced than beginner tools like KSOS, but easier to use than enterprise-grade platforms like Proxmox. It's a great balance for modern home labs. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.